This is the vibe. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I am unbelievably excited. I'm literally speechless. 안녕하십니까 여러분. Guys, I am in New Zealand for a family holiday and I have just taken a few moments to stop because yeah, I have come here to try fish and chips and I'm going to pick it up from this place, Hurga Fish and Chips in Queenstown. Yeah, take it down to the beach, take it down to the lake. I'm going to show you some amazing little views. We're going to eat the fish and chips there, so yeah boy, it's going to be good. I'm so excited. See if our stuff is ready.
There you go.
Thank you so much. Have a good one, yeah? So right now we're going to go to the lake and eat our fish and chips. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so I think there's a spot up here we can go to. I went swimming here the other day and it was honestly one of the best feelings ever. This is the spot, my dude. Oh, this is literally the most beautiful secluded beach I've ever been to in my life. 피쉬앤칩스 먹으러 갑시다. Oh, this is so stunning. This is so nice. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. This is New Zealand. 너무 이쁘다. Oh my gosh. I am blown away by this scenery. This is so beautiful. 진짜 아름답다, 진짜. Okay, New Zealand fish and chips 먹어볼까요? This is the vibe. I'm so excited. It feels like the UK. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so cool. I am unbelievably excited. I'm literally speechless. What I've got is, I've got the blue cod, I've got a spattered sausage, we've got our chips, and this is an Irish curry sauce. I literally have no idea what an Irish curry sauce is. It smells amazing already. All right, guys. Bon appetit. Wow, those chips are amazing. Oh. It tastes very similar to the British fish and chips, but I don't know, in this environment, this location, it's just amazing. It's so naughty, but so nice. Should we try the cod? Oh my gosh. 손으로 먹어야지. 포크 없이. 젓가락도 없어. This is the fish. This is the blue cod. Give it a go. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's good. It's really good. 솔직히 말하면 이거 설명하는 게 너무 힘들어. 굉장히 부드럽고 엄청 맛있어요. Oh, wow, guys. 여러분 아시겠지만 한국 겨울 진짜 쉽지 않은 일이에요. The Korean winter is not the easiest of things to cope with. I feel like I'm getting a bit of respite being here right now. In the kalguksu episode recently, I talked about healing deda and this idea that when you have a soothing hot Korean soup, it kind of just warms your whole body. 그리고 영국 사람이라서 이렇게 자연에서 피쉬앤칩스 먹는 게 진짜 힐링되는 느낌이에요. We're in Queenstown at the moment, and honestly, we've been just seeing some beautiful nature every day. We even had the opportunity to fly on top of the mountain in a helicopter. It was absolutely ridiculous. Like one of the most phenomenal experiences of my life. All right. 그 다음에 이거 뭔지 알죠? This is a battered sausage. Now, it might not look all that nice. But this is my childhood. I'd go to the fish and chip takeaway with my mum every Friday night. I would have sausage and chips, or battered sausage and chips. I wasn't really into fish back then. And this is my childhood. Swimming lessons every Friday night, fish and chips, boom. 먹어볼까요? That's good. I wouldn't suggest eating that every day, but that is good. This is up there with some of the best fish and chips I've had. Next up, oh my days. This is curry sauce. Now most curry sauce is kind of like that, you know, that Japanese style. This one's called Irish curry sauce. I don't know what makes it Irish. Should we give it a go? 칩 찍어 먹고. Oh. What? That's sweet and spicy. I've never tasted anything like this. It's kind of amazing. Wow, it's really got real spice to it. Oh, it's incredibly naughty. I love it. Right, try it with a bit of the sausage. That's good. Oh, that is good. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is amazing. What a blessing. I wonder if this has got Guinness or something in it to make it Irish. Is that what I'm tasting? One more thing, I just remembered. This, I am absolutely in love with this beer, Garage Project Fugazi. This is a 2.2% alcohol beer. It's so light. I want to pair it with this food. It's amazing. 2.2% alcohol, I love it. Light beer. Ah, perfect. By the time I get back in the car, I won't be feeling that at all. I'm going to be here for the next couple of hours just watching the sunset. Oh, this is amazing. I absolutely love this. Guys, stay out, 잡으십시오. 다음에도 봅시다. 사랑합니다. Coming back to Korea 10 kg heavier. It's amazing.